We have a question. Differentiate the following function with respect to x. E raised to cos inverse root under 1 minus x square. Let y is equals to e raised to cos inverse root under 1 minus x square. Differentiating y with respect to x. So differentiation of e raised to cos inverse root under 1 minus x square with respect to x. Differentiation of cos inverse root under 1 minus x square will be e raised to cos inverse root under 1 minus x square. This is because the formula differentiation of e raised to x with respect to x is always e raised to x into now differentiation of cos inverse root under 1 minus x square with respect to x. Now differentiation of y with respect to x will be e raised to cos inverse root under 1 minus x square into differentiation of cos inverse root under 1 minus x square will be minus 1 upon root under 1 minus root under 1 minus x square. Differentiation of root under 1 minus x square with respect to x. This is because of formula differentiation of cos inverse x is equals to minus 1 upon root under 1 minus x square. Here it is minus 1 upon root under 1 minus, here x square is compared with root under 1 minus x square whole square. Now differentiation of y with respect to x is equals to e raised to cos inverse root under 1 minus x square into here minus 1 upon root under 1 minus 1 minus x square, because here a square cancel a square root and we left with 1 minus x square. Now differentiation of root under 1 minus x square will be, it can also be written as here root under 1 minus x square can also be written as 1 minus x square raised to half. So differentiation of this will be 1 by 2, because power come forward, 1 by 2 into 1 minus x square 1 by 2 minus 1, and differentiation of 1 minus x square. Now differentiation of y with respect to x is equals to e raised to cos inverse root under 1 minus x square into minus 1 upon root under 1 minus, it will come out and it will become minus 1 plus x square into 1 by 2 1 minus x square raised to minus half. Differentiation of any constant is 0, so differentiation of 1 will be 0. Now differentiation of minus x square will be minus 2x, because of this formula differentiation of x raised to n with respect to n is equals to n x raised to n minus 1. Here these 2 will cancel this one, here minus 1 will cancel plus 1, and we left with differentiation of y with respect to x is equals to e raised to cos inverse root under 1 minus x square into minus 1 upon x into, because square root of x square is x, into 1 minus x square raised to minus half into minus x. X will cancel this x and this minus will cancel this minus. and we're left with differentiation of y with respect to x is equals to e raised to cos inverse root under 1 minus x square into 1 upon this minus half will convert into root under 1 minus x square, and this is because if we have x raised to minus half, we can write it as 1 upon root x. So this is our required answer. Thank you.